Hi, I'm Laura, one of the co-founders of GGTV. I wanted just to give you a tip that I often use when I'm trying to understand what my body is doing a little bit better in any style, but it's especially helpful for me in floorwork styles. Just slow everything down. Take all of your movements, take away the momentum, and move slow enough that it becomes almost meditative. Every single shift of your weight, hand placement, change of your focus, you can process so that you are understanding deeply the mechanics of what you're doing. So when you speed it up, that's a little bit more ingrained. Also, it's a really nice, as I said, meditative practice. If you want to try out a slow-mo class or two, we have a few on our GGTV channel. So I'll link them below for you to take.